Hello, this is Shruti Sharma, and you are watching me on E Times. I'm always ready for a good opportunity, because I'm very choosy with the content I do. If you are an actor, medium doesn't matter, but in our industry, it matters somewhere. Like if I'll tell people a lot of people they take like, oh, she's from TV, and it I don't know why this perception is there that, oh, they categorize you as a television artist. But trust me, television teaches you a lot. My brother and mother, they did the whole job, and I just wrote a play. I directed it in Lucknow, and हमने वो play portray किया था. Then my father was like, okay, ये मानेगी नहीं, जाने दो. Then he was like, you have only 2 years. कुछ काम नहीं मिला, you'll be back, and you'll get married. And I was like, okay, Papa ji. Yes, I started learning classical music for 6 months because Saima has this inborn talent of singing, and I wanted my voice to be in sur, because singers, they have a very surreally voice.
Hello everyone, welcome to E Times. I am Sukarna and this is our special conversation for the hashtag Trending Stars. Remember the girl in Hira Mandi for whom Alamzeb fought for? The not so spoken about, but the one who made an impressive screen presence. Today, I have with us Shruti Sharma, who has been winning hearts as Saima. Welcome, Shruti. How are you doing?
Thank you so much for having me, and I'm doing great.
And how has been your family's reaction?
They are very humble and they are very grateful and very proud. इंडियाज़ नेक्स्ट सुपरस्टार्स में जब मैंने वो टाइटल जीता था स्पेशल मेंशन विनर का, जो मैंने उम्मीद भी नहीं की थी, उस वक्त ना पहली बार मेरे जीवन में वो लम्हा था जब मेरी फैमिली और मुझे जानने वाले बहुत गर्व महसूस कर रहे थे. एक बच्चे के जीवन में वो जो एक लम्हा होता है ना, लाइक आई वांट टू मेक माय पेरेंट्स प्राउड, वो लम्हा था. उसके बाद somewhere they got habitual of me doing work and that how people know me and all. But after that, after a very long time, when they saw me on screen and people started telling them that, oh, your daughter is in Bhansali's project, oh my god, this is huge, then they felt the same thing. And then I felt the same thing, that now I think I have achieved something that has made my family proud again.
This brings me to the next part of the question, that having said that, like, you have done TV shows, you have done films as well. With Hira Mandi, the recognition that you have gotten, do you think you have finally arrived, or do you feel that the struggle has just begun to up what you have done in Hira Mandi?
Oh, I don't take life that way actually. I never took my life that, okay, now what? I never take. I'm always ready for a good opportunity, because I'm very choosy with the content I do. I'm literally very picky. So it doesn't matter what medium it is. It doesn't matter what language it is. Whenever I'll get a good opportunity, I will grab it, and because in all of my projects, I have tried to give my 200%, and I did the same with Hira Mandi as well. So ये एक यात्रा थी जो अभी ख़त्म हुई है. इसके बाद कुछ और आएगा तो वो एक नई यात्रा होगी. So I always take my work like that. मैं खुद को इतना परेशान नहीं करती कि अब क्या ये वो ना. I'm like, chill.
And you have been part of daily household as Shruti Sharma, but with Hira Mandi you have reached worldwide. Now everybody knows you. So for that audience, take us through the challenges that you have been through to be where you are today.
Oh, actually, the basic challenge is the mindset in my industry that, like I said, if you are an actor, medium doesn't matter, but in our industry, it matters somewhere. Like if I'll tell people a lot of people, they take like, oh, she's from TV, and I don't know why this perception is there that, oh, they categorize you as a television artist. But trust me, television teaches you a lot. And I think that was the only challenge which I faced. Not that much, but somewhere it was a challenge that I had this thought in mind that I have to convince people that if you are a good actor, medium is not medium never matters actually. You're just an actor. And there is no difference between television acting and other actings. It's us which we like. I think somewhere the actors also, they create sometimes that difference, and sometimes the directors or the writers on the television set, they create that difference, but it is in our hand. And right now आजकल के ज़माने में सभी बहुत genuine acting देखना चाहते हैं. So I think that was the only challenge which I faced. Otherwise, I loved every bit of Hira Mandi. I loved every bit of Saima, and I'm really happy that like Saima has been seen in 17 countries, and that has made me super super happy.
And Hira Mandi is the biggest show to break that stereotype, because there are so many actors from the tele industry
Yes.
we have seen, and it's been commendable. And also I would like to ask that, you being an actress, were your parents easily convinced when you told them you want to be an actress?
Honestly, my brother has always supported me. He is my backbone. So when I shared this thought that I want to go to Mumbai and I want to give myself a chance, just one tiny chance, because I really want to do this, then my brother and my mother, they were ready actually. My mother also, वो हमेशा चाहती थी that उनकी लड़की इंडिपेंडेंट होनी चाहिए, किसी भी फील्ड में हो, और उसे अपने सपने पूरा करने का एक मौका ज़रूर मिलना चाहिए. So my mother has supported me. My father was little scared and reserved and skeptical about the thought of me sending alone to Mumbai, क्योंकि मैं ना बचपन से कभी अकेले रही नहीं हूँ. मैं सोई भी नहीं हूँ अकेले, मेरी मम्मी के साथ ही सोती हूँ अभी भी. So he was like कि how will she manage alone in this Mumbai is a very big city, and this industry is not safe for women, because somewhere he has also done some work in this industry. So it was, and you won't believe, I never tried to convince him. My brother and mother, they did the whole job, and I just wrote a play. I directed it in Lucknow, and हमने वो play portray किया था. Then my father was like, okay, ये मानेगी नहीं, जाने दो. Then he was like, you have only 2 years. कुछ काम नहीं मिला, you'll be back and you'll get married. And I was like, okay, पापा जी. But
So अभी वो प्रेशर करते हैं शादी के लिए?
वो बेचारे, उनकी इच्छा है कि हाँ लड़की की शादी हो जाए, पर मतलब like my work overpowers every other thing. क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं वो इस बात की बहुत इज्जत करते हैं कि मैंने उनका कहीं ना कहीं एक एक्टर बनने का जो सपना था वो पूरा किया है, और मैं बहुत सही तरीके से और बहुत रिस्पेक्टफुल तरीके से, एक अच्छे तरीके से उनकी सारी शर्तें मान कर काम कर रही हूँ. और तो वो जब चीज़ हो जाती है तो वो मुझे हर चीज़ के लिए माफ़ कर देते हैं, मुझे डांट भी नहीं पड़ती.
So tell us, did you adapt any personal changes to get into the skin of Saima?
Yes, I started learning classical music for 6 months because Saima has this inborn talent of singing, and I wanted my voice to be in sur, because singers, they have a very surreally voice, and I wanted to have that. I wanted all my dialogues to be in the correct pitch, tempo and sur, and so I did that, and I was very cautious about my diction. I used to read a book every day and loudly to चबा चबा कर, जैसे आप शब्द बोलते हैं, क्योंकि उस वक्त का जो बोलचाल का तरीका था वो बहुत ही जिसे कहते हैं ना, बहुत ही आज के ज़माने के कंपैरिजन में बहुत क्लासी था. लाइक लोग ऐसे जल्दी जल्दी नहीं बोलते थे. दे वर लाइक चबा कर बात करते थे, ठहराव से बात, सुकून था उनके जीवन में जो उनकी भाषा और उसमें झलकता था. सो आई ट्राइड टू मेंटेन दैट, एंड यस, दीज वर द थिंग्स व्हिच आई डिड.
That was my next question, that acing the diction for the show, was it challenging?
No, not at all. First of all, I belong to Lucknow, उत्तर प्रदेश. हिंदी हमारी मेजर भाषा है, और क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी का मेन सब्जेक्ट हिंदी रहा है और उनका डिक्शन, मेरे पिताजी का भी डिक्शन बहुत अच्छा है, तो वो एक चीज़ मेरे साथ प्रिविलेज्ड थी कि हाँ, मेरी उर्दू भी अच्छी थी. और साइमा की भाषा भी एक्चुअली, क्योंकि साइमा लाहौर की है नहीं, वो वहाँ आती है बचपन में, तो कहीं ना कहीं उसकी जो मेन भाषा है वो हिंदी है. उर्दू बहुत ही कम बोली है मैंने, तो वो मेरे लिए एक प्लस पॉइंट था एज साइमा, उसकी मुझे कभी चिंता नहीं हुई।
Which is that one song that you have been humming from the show?
चौदहवीं शब को कहाँ चांद, श्रेया घोषाल का तो कोई जवाब नहीं है। एंड वो गाना मेरे जहन से उतर ही नहीं रहा है। लाइक इतना खूबसूरत गाया, आपने अगर सुना हो तो
Yeah.
बेहद खूबसूरत गाया।
And so what's next for you? Are you like soaking it in, or do you have anything coming up next?
I'm actually soaking it in, and though there is something which I have started working on, but जैसे मैं हीरा मंडी के बारे में बता नहीं पाई थी, वैसे हमें थोड़ा इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा to know what is it. But हाँ, there are things which are happening, but right now I'm just soaking it, all the love which I'm getting.
But does it mean that you have totally transitioned out of the television space, or do we get to see you?
Actually, the thin line between television and OTT has been, vanished now. Like, there are Bollywood actors who are working on television, and there are actors from television who are working in OTT. So I don't think that line anymore. And I don't want to create that line for myself as well, because, like I said, it doesn't matter what medium. Whenever I'll get a great content or great opportunity, I will grab it. Because I believe in like keep working, keep acting, and just be in front of the camera.
Well, thank you so much. Any message you want to share for fans?
Yes. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much to every single person who has watched Hira Mandi and who has loved and admired Saima. जिसने भी साइमा को इतना प्यार दिया है, बहुत 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 शुक्रगुजार हूँ मैं आपके प्यार की, और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। I'll keep working hard and I will not disappoint you with my work. So be there for me like I am there for you, and lots of love.
Thank you so much. It was great having you.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.